Do you have the issue of finding the error of queue is empty? Well, I have the solution. We're gonna learn today about how to fix the queue is empty error on Outlier AI. This issue can be really frustrating and really hurts your workflow. So to fix it, the first thing you wanna check is the settings of the project you're trying to run. Then you have to make sure that all the required parameters are correctly configured, including the input data, model parameters, and task priorities. Empty task queue can sometimes be caused by missing or improper data placements also. So make sure your datasets are correctly uploaded and linked to the task. But if you're unlucky enough and the settings and the data inputs are correct, but it still gives you the same issue, try to restart the training job. Stop the current task and wait a few minutes. Then initiate the task again to see if the problem is resolved. But if it still doesn't work, it's time to contact customer support, where you can describe the issue and tell them the conditions of your task, where they can give you proper guide to solving the issue. And that's it. I hope this helped. See you in another video. Bye.